Okay, the skin of the anterior and posterior thorax are consistent with the rest of the body. The clavicles are equal in height. The sternum is midline. The scapula are even and the vertebrae is midline. The chest movement is equal bilaterally with expansion. Take a deep breath for me. Thoracic expansion is symmetric bilaterally. Go ahead and turn around for me. When I place my hand on your back like this, I need you to say 99.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
So there's intact tactile fremitus with vibration spelled symmetrically. Next we're going to test the diaphragmatic expansion. So I'm going to get you to cross your arms and take a deep breath in and hold it, and then bend over slightly for me. One second. Okay, you can breathe. And then now exhale completely and hold it for me. And you can breathe. Okay, so now we're going to measure these two marks. And they measure 3 centimeters apart, which is within normal limits of 3 to 5 centimeters. So just put your hands by your side for me. I'm going to palpate the posterior lobes of the lungs. Good. And you can just continue to breathe normally. I'm going to listen to your lungs. Good. You can turn around for me, please. Continue to breathe normal.
Yes.
Good. So lung sounds are clear and equal bilaterally. Go ahead and have a seat up here for me. The chest is without lifts or thrusts. There's no PMIs or murmurs palpated. I'm going to listen to the lung sounds. This is the aortic, pulmonic, Erb's point, tricuspid, and mitral. And all lung sounds are regular. Next, I'm going to palpate the arteries. This is the temporal and the brachial. radial, popliteal, posterior tibial, and dorsalis pedis. All pulses are 2 plus normal bilaterally. I'm going to get you to go ahead and lay down. The skin of the abdomen is consistent with the rest of the body. I'm going to auscultate all 4 quadrants of the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are normoactive in all 4 quadrants. I'm going to auscultate the liver, and the spleen. There are no friction rubs noted. Auscultating the iliac arteries, the renal arteries, and we'll defer the femoral arteries. There's no bruits auscultated. I'm going to percuss all 4 quadrants of the abdomen. And the bladder. So there's tympany heard throughout with dullness in the bladder. Next I'm going to percuss and measure the liver. So we start from tympany to dullness. Mark. And then we move from resonance to dullness. And we measure these marks. It measures 10.5 centimeters, which is within normal limits of 6 to 12 centimeters. Next, we'll percuss the spleen. Dullness can be heard from the 6th to 10th intercostal space. The spleen is not palpable because it's not enlarged. Next, we'll palpate the liver. So take a deep breath in and cough for me. And one more time. Is there any tenderness?
Yeah.
The liver is freely palpable with no masses or nodules. Next, we'll palpate the kidneys. The kidneys are freely palpable with no masses or nodules. Is there any tenderness in the kidneys?
Yeah.